so then you would know. If you want to just come in right away after when you see the notification, say hi and bye. That's all good too. Just let me know you're there and you know I'm there. You don't have to stay on all night, all day. And I don't know the time zone of you guys, so it's kind of hard. Guys, this is the night time for me, and I normally work late, so I don't know. I just work as it go. So guys, if you guys go sleep to bed, or if you just waking up to work, have a good day. And if you're just going to bed, have a good night, guys. I'm gonna stay on a little bit more, 7 more minutes, and I'm gonna be off the live until tomorrow. And thank you guys for subscribing and joining the team. And then I say, guys, I need all your love and support. If you guys have anybody else, mother, sister, daughter, everybody, kids in your house, whatever they want to subscribe, let them subscribe and be on the live too. Everybody will be a big family. So tomorrow we're gonna be doing this one. We're gonna be putting on this one. Yeah. Good night, bro. Big up, all the best. All right, as we say, guys, we get 7 more minutes, 6 minutes more. No, not 6 minutes. 7, 10 minutes, 11 minutes more, and then we out of here. Okay. Just there is no button. What you say, guys? There is no button for subscribe. Of course, there a button for subscribe. Just go on my channel. Just come out live, go on my channel, and then you can see the button there. If you can't see it here. So I don't know. Go out the live, go on my channel for Life Auto, and then go there and click there and tell me if you find it. No, I don't know if it's here because I think you gotta go back on my channel and subscribe. It normally I don't know where it is. You gotta go and I don't know. I have to go on somebody live to see what I see, and I don't know what I even seeing. So go on my page, come out of this, go on my page, and you will see For Life Auto, and you will see subscribe there. At the corner of the screen should be a button to subscribe on top. Just keep looking, you'll find it. It's not gonna be disappear. Like, let me see what is it.